Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are learning English very well. I am Ashmit Sidhu from Premium Public School, Smana. Today I have taken a topic of use of has, have and had. Most of the students get confused of where to use has, have or had. So कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, आज हम बिल्कुल क्लियर करेंगे. So let's proceed with our topic. The very first, use of have. Have is used with I, you, we, they and all the plural nouns. अब आप पूछोगे कि मैम I and you के साथ plural noun? Yes बच्चा. It is in English language that we use have after I and you. So keep it in mind. So let's begin with few examples. I have eaten my food. You have taken the wrong medicine. We have enjoyed the party. They have my book. So all these are the uses of have. Next we have negative sentences. Negative sentences बच्चा वो जिसके साथ हम no या not लगाते हैं. So in the case of have के साथ have plus not या no लगता है. और we can also use haven't in it. For example, we haven't enjoyed the party last night. They have not reached home yet. I have not eaten the food. You have not taken your medicine. So all these negative sentences will get have plus not in it. Now let's proceed to the question form of have. When we have to ask a question, we have to add have plus subject. That means subject will take have before it. For example, have I, have you, have they, have we. For example, have I met you before? क्या हम पहले कभी मिले हैं? Have you reached home? क्या आप घर पहुंच गए? Have they did their work? क्या उन्होंने काम पूरा कर लिया? Our next topic is use of has. We use has with he, she, it or singular nouns. And we also use has with who in some sentences. For example, he has a pen. उसके पास एक पेन है. She has a medicine. उसके पास एक medicine है. Now let's form sentences with it. For example, cat has come to drink milk. Cat दूध पीने आई है. So in all these sentences with he, she or it, we use has after the subject. Next is use of has in negative sentences. Same as have, we use has with not or no after it, or we can also use hasn't. For example, he has not received my phone. उसने मेरा phone नहीं उठाया. She has not gone there. वो वहाँ पर नहीं गई. It has not directed to me. वो मेरे पास नहीं आया. So in all these sentences where we have to convert the sentence into negative form, we use not after the has. Next is question form. जब भी हमें has के साथ question पूछना हो, so again similar as have, हमें has के बाद subject लगाना होता है. For example, has she, has he or has it. For example, has she done her homework? क्या उसने अपना काम किया? और has he done his homework? क्या उसने अपना काम किया? Has it irritated you? क्या उसने आपको परेशान किया? So in all these sentences, we use a question form of has. Next and last topic is use of had. Had हम सिर्फ वहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे हमें has और have का past tense यूज़ करना हो. So that means कि सारे singular plus plural noun के साथ had लगता है. That is he, she, it, I, you, we, they सबके साथ. For example, he had worked with me. उसने मेरे साथ काम किया था. She had not picked my phone. उसने मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठाया था. They had seen you coming. उन्होंने आपको आते देख लिया था. He had a bad experience. उसका experience बहुत खराब रहा. So in all these sentences हमने had का use किया in a past tense जहाँ पे has या have लगना था. तो अब अगर इसी को हमें negative form में करना है, then again it will become had plus not or no. Or we can also say hadn't. For example, he had not received my mail. उसे मेरा मेल नहीं मिला. She had not eaten her lunch. उसने अपना लंच नहीं खाया. They had not played today. वो आज खेले नहीं. तो in all these sentences we use had plus not with it. So that's all with our today's topic. I hope you find our video interesting and useful. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Good evening.